Alright, welcome back to Projector Repair Gurus. If you are new here, welcome. And if you watched our Sony DX fan replacement episode, you will know the type of work we do. Today we are working on an Epson EB-S41, a model that is extremely common in all kind of places. You will find these machines in schools, churches, offices and football joints, and movie shops. One of the most frequent faults with this family of projectors, including the EB-S41, EB-S41, and EB-S05 EB-X49, is a lamp and temperature warning that begins as an intermittent issue after extended use and can progress to an immediate error at power on. The unit in this video was sent in by a client who reported that the projector powered on while the cooling fans ran at full speed and the lamp continued to emit light, that the image was skewed and intermittently flickering, and that at one point the lamp cover was open while the projector remained powered. Such behavior strongly suggests a fault beyond a simple thermal shutdown and indicates either a safety sensor or motherboard logic issue or a failure in the lamp drive circuitry. On initial inspection, the lamp assembly was loose, and several mounting screws were either missing or not tightened. A loose lamp can produce vibration, intermittent contact and flicker, and mechanical instability of this kind is the first thing to address. We tightened the lamp and replaced the missing screws to remove any mechanical causes of instability. However, the image issues persisted. To continue the diagnostic process, we removed the bottom and rear screws, and then the top cover. Taking care not to damage the flex cable that connects the top cover to the motherboard. It is important to observe ESD precautions and use gloves or an ESD strap when handling the board to avoid static damage. Inside the chassis, an RGB flex cable was not fully seated. We reseated the connector and retested the unit, but the skew and flicker did not resolve, which indicated the display problem was not caused solely by an improperly seated cable. We removed the motherboard for bench testing and used a known working Epson board from a different model to narrow the fault. The projector displayed a ballast error light, a result that suggests a ballast or lamp drive fault, although board compatibility issues can complicate interpretation. After obtaining a compatible test board from a colleague, we were able to confirm that the original motherboard was functional and that the ballast was the root cause of the lamp drive errors. To access the ballast, it is necessary to remove the block lens assembly, since the power supply and ballast modules are stacked within the optical block. You may choose to replace the complete stack or to remove and replace only the ballast module from the bottom, but care must be taken with high voltage capacitors and the lamp wiring. When performing this work, label connectors and keep screws organized to simplify reassembly, and observe safe handling of charged capacitors. Ballast and lamp controller failures are commonly associated with unstable mains supply. Many installations run projectors from generators without voltage stabilizers, and repeated voltage fluctuations can damage the lamp controller over time. Where site power is variable, we recommend advising clients to use a stabilizer or a UPS to protect the projector and extend component life. After replacing the ballast, we performed a full service on the optical path and internal assemblies, carefully removing dust from the block lens and internal optics using a blower and appropriate lens wipes. Dust in the optics degrades image quality and can create hot spots or uneven illumination, so thorough cleaning during a service is essential. Reassembly follows an ordered sequence. Secure the block lens and its screws, fasten the power and ballast module, attach the outtake fan and its mountings, fit the motherboard and replace its screws, then reconnect all flex cables ensuring each connector fully seats and clicks into place. Reinstall the lamp mounting screws and verify that the lamp is aligned and secured, as loose lamp mounts will reintroduce vibration and flicker. In final testing, power the unit and observe the startup sequence. Confirm the lamp ignites reliably, that fan speeds normalize, and that the image is stable and correctly aligned. Perform a lamp hours and temperature check where possible and monitor for any error indicators. For long-term maintenance, I recommend a simple checklist. Keep the operating environment as dust-free as practical. Replace or clean filters according to the manufacturer's schedule. Log lamp hours and plan replacements proactively. Avoid rapid on-off cycling to reduce thermal stress on the lamp and ballast, and protect equipment from power quality issues with stabilizers or UPS systems. In summary, this repair required correcting mechanical faults in the lamp mounting, confirming connector seating, isolating and testing the motherboard and ballasts using compatible test hardware, replacing the faulty ballast, and performing a full optical and mechanical service. After reassembly and testing, the projector returned to normal operation with no flicker and stable image output. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. We will continue to publish detailed, step-by-step repair guides for technicians and technicians in training. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.